Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Renuka and today is a quick video on the unboxing of scrapping for less flavor of the month kit. I already case designed for this team and I don't have the full package there, so I now ordered mine. So all the themes are, it's like all about the ice cream. So they have this lovely package with the ice cream cones and nice covering. So I ordered the full banana split, so I got everything. You can download these sheets from their site. I'll post all the links below that where you can download these or where you can order these kits, and most of the times they sold out very fast. So subscription is on there. You can subscribe for the next month kit. I don't know about this month kits available or not. I'll link that. So it always comes with the 4 collections, and if you have the banana split then you will get this extra. So I'll jump and I'll show you this one. They have this cardstock and it came in this package and it's really nicely packed here, so it will not tear apart or some kind of spots on there. So these are from I think my favorite things. Let me see. So we have these 2 cardstocks, which is Nina Solar, and this is for 110 lb, and you can use this for the stamping your image and coloring them. And now the card bases, there is one heart red, and they always write the kind of not here, but this time they have on one cardstock. Then I have this pink lemonade, then glumpy green, and I think, yeah, this is the clumpy green, then lemon drop and orange fuzz and black liquor. So these are the plain cardstock that came in a kit. And then we start with the collections here. So we have the 4 collections. They have all the details of their collection, and I'll show you what is in each collection. Most of the times I love to mix and match these. I'm not going through like I have to use this collection for this thing. For each collection you will get one envelope, and this time they have this lawn font die, like treat yourself, the ice cream, some cute ice cream cones, some blinks there, and this is double-sided paper, and this is really nice. Lots of color, bright numbers, and yep. So these are the pattern papers came, the sequence, and this is, I think, the collection first. And for the second one, it is the stamp from Stampabella. It's really beautiful stamp, and it's a sealing stamp, so you will get a nice crisp image with this. I don't have any Stampabella stamps as until now, so I'm really looking forward to it. And then some of these pretty things, the cone, the candles, and this sequence, some of the stickers. These are puffy stickers, the teddy bears, and 2 doggies, balloon doggies. Again the envelope, and then this is the single-sided paper. And I think, yeah, this is the collection 4. It's called Happy Hooray. So yeah, this is that. And then the next is the collection 2, and I already showed this collection. It's the banana split. When I am in the blog hop, there is one flavor of the month stamp, some ice cream cones, and again the ribbon, sequence, and small polka dot. I think this is from MFT's. Free stuff. Put that aside, and this one nice ribbon is here. And then for the last collection, again we have the envelope, pattern paper, and stamp and sequence. And if you can mix match them, but if you don't want to, they all coordinate well together. Means like for these pattern papers, the product came in that, like the sequence or the stickers perfectly match. You can use this stamp anywhere you want, but if you want to put them like the matching, yeah, this is the way, and if you don't want to, you can use them accordingly. Then if you order the highest level, that is banana split, we will get these. Oh my gosh, these are really nice. This is one premium dye ink, I think, dye base ink. Stamp pad is from Ink It Up, and one lollipop, one lawn fawn dye You Are Sweet, and this is really nice glitter paper, glitter shimmery paper. Wow, nice combination here. And then you'll get this stamp. Now this stamp is scrapping for lace stamp, and this is kind of the stamp you'll only get on their side, because this is especially, I think they made that specially, and it's lots of ice cream lines, and it's a big cone, and lots of nice sentiment here. Let's celebrate something today, because ice cream is always good idea. Happy birthday. So it's quite a versatile stamp. What is the scoop? Hey, the Scoopy, you are the best. So it's a quite a versatile stamp. You can use it for any other ice creams you have. So as summer is coming, and it's like feeling of summer side, the beach and everything, and the ice cream, this kit gonna rock. Soon I will post all the cards I made with this kit. I didn't start it yet, but yeah, soon I will do that. So if you like my channel, do subscribe to it, and give it the thumbs up if you like my videos. Always welcome that what kind of projects you want to see. Leave your valuable suggestions in the comment box. I'll try to make those things also. And until the next crafty project, have a crafty life. Bye bye.